Traps could be the new abs to bodybuilders because they're hard to get and signal to the world that you take your fitness seriously. To bigger your traps, exercise selection has an important role. There are more exercises to build a set of steel traps than just barbell shrugs, and in this video on Pars Health TV channel, we'll show you how. This video outlines 6 of the best trap workouts, along with a deep dive into their benefits. Number 6. Cable Shrug. The cable shrug is perfect for targeting the traps, rear delts, and upper back. The cable stack permits precise loading, which profits in higher rep sets and techniques like drop sets, pauses, and tempo. Unlike some of the other workouts on this video, the cable's constant tension confirms that you fully fatigue the traps throughout their full range of motion. The benefits of the cable shrug. It strengthens the traps and upper through a fuller range of motion. The cable machine lets for constant tension in operating the muscles. It is also great for burnout sets to maximize hypertrophy. How to do the cable shrug. You should stand in front of a cable machine and hold the rope attachment with both hands and put your feet shoulder width apart. Hold your shoulders and chest up, and keep the rope with your arms stretched. Without utilizing your arms, exhale, bring your shoulders towards your ears, and then pull back slightly. Pause and gradually return to the starting position. Number 5. Trap Bar Shrug. Trap bar shrugs are an excellent method to overload the traps because you can utilize heavy loads safely. The trap bar has you assume a grip that enables minimizing the pressure on the anterior shoulder, wrists, and elbows. The trap bar shrug can also be useful for hypertrophy, strength, or power development, making it a versatile workout tool. Benefits of the trap bar shrug. This variation lets you utilize the most resistance safely. Less tension on your elbows, wrists, and anterior shoulders because of the neutral grip of the trap bar. Muscular upper traps support the head and form good posture. How to do the trap bar shrug. Do a standard deadlift with the trap bar to initiate the movement from a standing position. Once stationary, shrug the shoulders up and towards your ears. Concentrate on elevating your shoulders without rounding them forward. Once at the top, you should lower it under control. Before we check out number 4 on our list, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell to get more informative videos. Number 4. Kirk Shrug. Kirk Krivowski began doing this shrug variation to boost grip strength for the deadlift. His trainer, Marty Gallagher, believed this exercise would enable him to pull heavier, and Marty was right. Kirk pulled an 800-pound deadlift with the aid of the Kirk Shrug. But they also found they built a bigger yoke too. This lift puts extra tension on your upper traps by utilizing a thumbless grip and a pause. Benefits of the Kirk Shrug. It enhances the upper back and grip strength and builds the upper traps. Kirk Shrugs strengthen the upper back muscles, which are suitable for good posture and help enhance performance with your deadlifts and squats. They are a great finisher in the end of an upper body workout session. How to do the Kirk Shrug. Imagine a thumbless grip on the barbell and do a standard shrug from a standing position. However, flex the elbows as you shrug as if doing the first half of a vertical row. Keep the barbell around the navel level for a second, if possible, before declining the weight to the starting position. Number 3. Dumbbell Row. Alongside the traps and muscles of the arm, the one-arm row challenges the traps in their function of scapular retraction, getting the shoulder blades closer together. This workout packs a host of advantages, such as the added need for stability compared to its barbell counterpart, alongside its ability to concentrate on one side of the body at a time, letting you shore up weaknesses. Benefits of the dumbbell row. It engages your abdomen more than a bilateral barbell row. Isolating one side of the body lets for more targeted stimulation of a particular muscle. How to do the dumbbell row. Put the knee opposite the arm you're rowing with onto a bench, box, or any stable surface. Position the non-working arm down to sustain your torso. Make sure your back is straight, and let the free leg extend behind you or to the side. Grab the dumbbell with a neutral grip, palms facing toward the body, and row it up, leading with your elbow. Steadily pull the weight without leaning your body to either side. Repeat on the opposing side. Number 2. Barbell overhead carry. There are multiple variations of the overhead carry. Still, the standard grip version permits the heaviest load and, so, the highest stimulation. This workout seriously works on your upper traps, core, shoulders, and triceps isometrically while also being an incredible accessory move to enhance your overhead strength for presses and Olympic lifts. Benefits of the barbell overhead carry. Enhanced overhead stability for lifts like overhead presses and the Olympic lifts. It delivers better time under tension for the upper traps and back. It enables you to improve your mental toughness, conditioning, and posture. How to do the barbell overhead carry. Put a bar at chest height in a power rack and unrack it. Do a press, push, or jerk to ensure the overhead barbell. While maintaining the barbell fixed above your head with locked arms, take small and steady steps for distance or time. Number 1. Rack pull. This variation works on your upper and midsection, alongside the lower body, and lets you load up the bar with a truly insane amount of weight. As with other deadlift variations, the aim of this workout is to isometrically challenge the traps, a place in which the rack pull is king. Benefits of the rack pull. It places a large amount of isometric pressure on the traps and other muscles of the back. The specified range of motion provides a clear start and stopping point, creating it a good choice for newer lifters. It permits you to load up the bar with a lot of weight and a restricted range of motion. It also improves your grip strength. How to do the rack pull. You should stand in a power rack and set the safety bars to knee height. Keep your core tight and spine neutral, hinge at the hip, hold the bar, and pull the barbell to lock out. Gradually lower the weight and return to the starting position, resisting the pull of the weight on the way down. We appreciate you tuning in. Thank you, guys, and do not hesitate to leave a comment. And don't forget to watch more of our amazing videos on the left and right of your screen. See ya!